period of COVID-19, we would like to keep you updated on what Pain Free Physio has prepared, and we will continue to service our community over the coming period. Like all of us, we are concerned with the safety of our family, our team, and our community, and we are doing everything we can to minimize the exposure to the virus and to stop any spread. Our priority is to keep everyone safe, and I would like to highlight to you how we will be doing this. Clinic will remain open until Saturday the 4th of April. We will close for 2 weeks and reopen on Monday the 20th of April. We have assessed the risk and decided it is much safer for our patients to stay at home during this period due to coronavirus. Although we may be closed, our phone will remain open. If you have urgent condition during this period, you can still contact us. We will help you over the phone to make sure your condition is not serious. If necessary, we can provide 3 types of services. 1. Online consultation. Our physio can provide interview, physical examination, and treatment using exercises over the internet. These therapeutic exercises can produce the same effects as hands-on treatments by our physio. What's more, you can access your physio via email or chat function anytime to ensure your full recovery. Online consultation has been shown to be as effective as in-person by research. 2. Home visit. Our physio can visit you at your home. Our physio will follow all the infection control procedures to ensure safety for both our patients and ourselves. 3. In-clinic treatment. One of our health practitioners will meet you at our clinic for treatment for urgent conditions. So even though the clinic is closed, our practitioners are on standby to address your urgent needs. As you can imagine, we are experiencing unprecedented time in our clinic, and because of that, I would like to ask you for your help to enable us to provide you and our community with the health service during the time of need. As a matter of priority, if you are unwell or you can't risk contact with someone sick, please stay away from our clinic and call us. We will serve you the best way possible. As you may know, our back pain and sciatica workshop has been running every month over the past 2 years, helping thousands of people become pain-free. We will go online this April, and this time we will have multiple time available for you to attend. By watching the workshop and completing the worksheet, you will receive my free book, The 5 Steps to be pain-free in 20 minutes, as well as a comprehensive initial assessment with me for ridiculously low price. This workshop has changed the course of many lives, and I really want you to come along online. If you have any question at any time, my mobile phone number is on our website. If you have a serious concern, you are welcome to call me anytime, day or night. Now, let's go through what you can be doing now and what you can be doing to prepare for the coming period. Your personal hygiene is the #1 way to fight this virus. This includes washing your hands. Washing hands with soap and water for 30 seconds every time before you eat, after the toilet, and after you touch someone or touch common areas such as petrol pump and elevator buttons. If you have children, remind them wash their hands regularly. Do not assume they will always wash their hands, and keep your hands away from your face as much as possible. Practice social distancing. Keep 1.5 meters away from other people. As you can see, in our waiting area, we deliberately keep every chair 1.5 meters away. Ensure good ventilation. Keep the windows or doors open to allow fresh air. Enjoy a walk in the sunshine, as exercise and vitamin D strengthen your immune system. Sunlight is also a powerful disinfectant. If you wear a mask, make sure you wear properly, as wearing incorrectly actually increases your chance of infection. The color side, usually green or blue, is waterproof. Make sure it is on the outside. The metal wire sits on the top, and you can mold it to fit around your nose. Once you wear the mask, do not touch the outside, as this area can become contaminated with bacteria and and virus. Make sure you dispose of the mask straight away after you remove it. Do not put it into your pocket and do not reuse it. Wearing masks correctly will reduce your chance of infection. It is compulsory for our staff to wear masks at work to protect both you and ourselves. If you require self-isolation, make sure you have someone to do grocery shopping for you. If you really cannot find someone, let us know and we will try our best to help out. If you work from home, set up your workstation properly so you can avoid neck and back pain. There are many education videos on our website and Facebook page that give good advice, as well as self-treatments in case you cannot come to us. Finally, I would like to reassure you we can get through this as a community. Many of our team have been through and learned valuable lessons from SARS in 2003, and we understand the key to containing the disease is by preparing well in advance. You may have been exposed to many information on social media. Not all of those are helpful. If you have any question, feel free to contact Pain Free Physio. Please stay safe, take care of your loved ones, and be diligent. Let's all help each other.